how to create an avatar video for the alarm background on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on settings app. Now it's setting. Scroll down and click on advanced features. So you will see advanced feature is here. So click on advanced features. Now here, so scroll down and click on Galaxy Avatar. So after click on Galaxy Avatar, so scroll down to end, click on create an avatar video and you will see, but click on, after click on create an avatar video, so click on alarm background. So after click on alarm background, so after selecting, click on dance. So after click on dance, after click on dance, click on save. So after click on save, you will see video is saving during according to your internet connection. So after save video and click on done. So after the process, go back to home screen and click on clock app. Now here, so click on alarm and click on alarm background. So if you want to set, so click on background. So after click on background, click on video. So you will see and click on done. So you will select time from here. So after the process, click on done, you will see alarm is set. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can create an avatar video for the alarm background on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.